dear students, in previous video we people have discussed your chlorophyceae, right? That is also called as your green algae. In today's video we are going to discuss your phaeophyceae. Okay, this phaeophyceae is also called as brown algae. ठीक है, इसको क्या कहा जाता है? ब्राउन algae भी कहा जाता है. Like we have discussed in green algae, right? यहाँ पे भी we are going to discuss in points. Okay, so first heading, right? So first heading comes your habitat. If I want to say habitat of this brown algae, then this brown algae are primarily marine. Okay, मतलब they are marine algae. They are present in salt water. तो ये हो गई उसकी habitat. Chlorophyceae में क्या पढ़ा था? What are the habitat of green algae? Mostly your fresh water. 90% of your green algae lives in fresh water, whereas only 10% are present in marine water. Okay. If you are talking about this brown algae, then ये जो algae होती है ये marine algae होती है. Okay, they are present in salt water. तो ये डिस्कस करा हमने हैबिटेट के बारे में. Now let us discuss about size. Size, or you can say it as your structure also. Okay, so some of the algae which are present in this group, some of your algae which are present in this group have a very simple, okay, less branched filamentous structure. Say for example I am talking about ectocarpus. Okay, तो देखो, if I am saying your ectocarpus, if I am saying your ectocarpus, right, this is your brown algae जिसका structure कैसा होता है? It is simple, it is very simple, and you can say it as your filamentous, and you can say it as your filamentous. But if I am talking about your kelps is also your brown algae. ठीक है, तो ये kelp का structure कैसा होता है? It is profusely branched in the sense it have number of branches. Okay, and this may spread up to 100 meters. This may spread up to 100 meters. Am I clear? So once again, if I am talking about size और structure of this organism, then कुछ organism के structure बहुत ही simple होते हैं, less branch होते हैं. Say for example in case of our ectocarpus, whereas if we are talking about our kelps, right, then these kelps have profusely branched structure. Okay, and it grow up to 100 meters. Am I clear? तो बच्चों ये हो गया आपका size and structure, right? Since it is algae, तो इसमें present होगी क्या? Pigment. इसमें present होगी क्या? Pigment. Yes or no? Yes. So write your next heading as your photosynthetic pigments. Okay. The photosynthetic pigments which are present in your brown algae are, that is your chlorophyll A and your chlorophyll C. आप मुझे बताओ ग्रीन algae में कौन सी पिगमेंट थी? Yes, कौन सी थी? क्लोरोफिल A and chlorophyll B. यहाँ पे कौन सी है? chlorophyll A and chlorophyll C. Apart from this, it have carotenoids. Okay, and it have xanthophylls. Carotenoids as well as xanthophylls are present. तो ये भी pigment है. ये भी क्या है बेटा जी? Pigment है. Am I clear? So once again you people have to memorize chlorophyll A, chlorophyll C. We are having carotenoid and we are having your xanthophyle. Am I clear? And due to these pigments, आपकी जो brown algae है, right? It shows different color. From I am writing over here. It shows different shades of color from olive green to, I can say, different shades of brown. Two different shades of brown. Am I clear? ये brown color जो होता है, what I have written, कौन सी algae दिखी है मैंने? brown algae, yes or no? तो ये जो brown color होता है is due to presence of a special pigment called as your fucoxanthin. Called as your fucoxanthin. अब ये fucoxanthin है क्या? Fucoxanthin is nothing but your xanthophyll. Is nothing but your xanthophyll. Am I clear? So depending on amount of this fucoxanthin, your algae shows different shades of brown. Simple as that. Am I clear? तो ये हो गया बच्चों जी आपका फोटोसिंथेटिक पिगमेंट. अच्छे से याद रखना है. क्लोरोफिल ए, क्लोरोफिल सी, कैरोटीनॉइड, ज़ैंथोफिल. ज़ैंथोफिल में कौन? फ्यूकोज़ैंथिन, which is responsible for giving which color? Brown color to this algae. Okay? तो ये हो गया आपका फोटोसिंथेटिक पिगमेंट. Now let us talk about stored food. Yes or no? फोटोसिंथेसिस करेगा, खाना बनाएगा. Yes. So stored food, if I want to say, in case of your brown algae, is once again your carbohydrate. To be more specific, these are complex carbohydrate. Okay, these carbohydrates are otherwise called as your polysaccharide. इसको क्या बोला जाता है? Polysaccharide. An example, if I want to give of this complex carbohydrate, they are your laminarine, okay, and your mannitol, So these are your complex carbohydrate. Okay. So ये हो गया stored food in case of your brown algae. Okay, you people say me what was in case of your green algae? क्या था? Starch and oil droplets. Am I clear? Whereas in this case it is laminarine and mannitol. ये है क्या? These are nothing but your complex carbohydrate, or you can say it as your complex polysaccharide. Am I clear? Yes. Now let us discuss about next क्या चीज आएगी? Let us discuss about their cell wall. ठीक है? Now if I want to say their cell wall again, their cell wall is made up of cellulose. तो देखो ये जो लेयर है, it is made up of cellulose. Am I clear? And outer layer, as you can see over here, this blue color dots which I am giving. Okay, this outer layer is covered by a mucilaginous sheath. And this is called as your, ये क्या है? Algene. तो बच्चों algene क्या पढ़ाया था मैंने? Algene is your hydrocolloid. Yes or no? What is hydrocolloid? A substance having water holding capacity. ठीक है? तो here also, if I want to say something about cell wall, then inner, as you can see, the inner wall is made up of cellulose. This is covered by a mucilaginous sheath called as your algene. And algene क्या है आपका? Hydrocolloid है. Am I clear? This we have seen in case of uses of algae. हमने देखा था ये, right? तो ये हो गया आपका cell wall. Okay, now if I want to say something about protoplast. If I want to say something about protoplast, again it comes over here only, right? Protoplast. अब protoplast क्या है आपको अच्छे से पता है. So this protoplast, apart from plastids. Now what is plastids? You people have understood in chapter cell, yes or no? Plastids, chromoplast, leucoplast, chloroplast, these are your plastids. Am I clear? So if you are talking about protoplast of brown algae, then of course they are having plastids. Yes. Apart from these plastids, they are also having large vacuole. Now dear students, What is vacuole? Vacuole क्या होता है? Simple as that. The region without cytoplasm. The region without cytoplasm is called as vacuole. Am I clear? Okay. And in plant it is called it is which type of vacuole present in plants? Yes, sep vacuole, correct, which are surrounded by a membrane called as your tonoplast. So this plastid, come back to your brown algae, right? Protoplast में क्या होती है? Plastids. Apart from this, it is having large vacuole and also they are having, of course, nucleus. They are having nucleus. Am I clear? तो ये डिस्कस करा हमने about cell wall, right? Now, if I want to say something about plant body, if I want to say something about plant body, right? Then this plant body is, I can say, divided into three parts. It's divided into three parts. Number one is your hold fast. Number one is your hold fast. Okay. By means of this hold fast, your brown algae attaches with substrate. Am I clear? Attaches with substrate. Say for example, ये कुछ substrate है. Okay, ये substrate है, right? By means of this, say for example, this is your hold fast. By means of this hold fast, your brown algae attaches with this substrate. Am I clear? So I can say that your hold fast, you can compare with roots. You can compare with roots. Am I clear? Then second one is a stalk-like region. यहाँ पे I am writing stalk-like part. Stalk-like part is called as your stipe. इसको क्या कहा जाता है? Stipe कहा जाता है. Okay, so you can compare this with stem. You can compare this with stem. And over here I am writing leaf-like structure. Leaf-like structure which is called as your frond, जो कि photosynthetic होता है. Am I clear? So plant body of your brown algae is differentiated, I can say, into three spare parts. Again, they do not have root, stem and leaf. Okay, thalloid body ही है, but they have structures like holdfast, stipe and frond. Am I clear? Holdfast का purpose क्या होता है? It plays an important role in attachment of this brown algae to substrate. A stalk-like region is called as your stipe and a leaf-like region जो कि photosynthetic होता है and that is called as your frond. उसको क्या कहा जाता है? frond. Okay? तो ये डिस्कस करा हमने प्लांट बॉडी के बारे में. Now we are moving on to your reproduction. Okay? Again we are going to discuss one by one. So directly I am writing over here vegetative reproduction. Vegetative reproduction. ठीक है? This vegetative reproduction simple है. It occurs by, आप सबको पता है क्या? Occurs by means of fragmentation. It occurs by means of fragmentation. Am I clear? Yes. Let us talk about your asexual reproduction. Okay. Asexual reproduction. Again, asexual reproduction occurs by means of your spores, right? And ये जो spores होते हैं, इसका shape होता है pyriform. Shape कैसा है? Pyriform spore. Pyriform का मतलब कुछ नहीं है यार. It is pear shape. It is pear shape. ये खाया ना आपने pear? Fruit है. Yes or no? If I were to draw the structure over here, then कुछ ऐसा दिखाई देता है आपका pear. Yes or no? Yes. So this is your pyriform structure. Okay. And this pyriform structure have flagella. How many flagella? They are having 2 flagellas. They are having 2 flagellas. Am I clear? And these flagellas are, if I want to write about your flagella, then these flagella are 2 in number and they are arranged laterally. they are arranged laterally. Am I clear? तो ये हो गया आपका asexual reproduction. Pyriform spores मतलब pear shape, have flagella, कितने 2, and they are laterally oriented. Simple as that. Last comes your sexual reproduction. Last comes your sexual reproduction. Again, sexual reproduction can be your isogamous. Okay, it can be your isogamous. It can be your anisogamous. Okay, or it can be your oogamous. Or it can be your oogamous. Am I clear? Now, again, यहाँ पे present क्या हो गया आपके gametes? There will be फॉर्मेशन ऑफ गैमेट्स. अगेन गैमेट्स का फॉर्म कैसा है, शेप कैसा है, पायरीफॉर्म. व्हाट इज पायरीफॉर्म? पियर शेप. पियर शेप. ठीक है. अब सेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन है, फ्यूजन होगा. देयर अकर्स फ्यूजन ऑफ योर गैमेट्स, दैट इज योर मेल गैमेट एंड फीमेल गैमेट. ठीक है. तो ये फ्यूजन कहां पे हो सकता है? ये फ्यूजन कहां पे हो सकता है? तो हियर आई एम राइटिंग this fusion, the fusion of gametes, ये जो fusion हो रहा है gametes का, this may occurs in water. Okay, कहाँ पे होगा? Water में. or else fusion occurs in a specialized structure present in female, जो कि spherical होता है और round sac like होता है. That is called as your oogonium. That is called as your oogonium present in female. Are you getting my point? या तो water में हो या तो fusion occurs in oogonium present in female. अब oogonium क्या है? Oogonium is nothing but over here if I want to draw, it is round or a sac-like structure. Round or a sac-like structure which have this gamete, female cell. Am I clear? So this is what I mean by oogonium present in female. तो ये हो गया general description of your brown algae. And last comes your example. Last comes your example. Over here I am writing, okay, examples of your brown algae. Number 1 is your Dictyota. Number 1 is your Dictyota. Then ऊपर आपने क्या पढ़ा? Ectocarpus, right? Then is your Laminaria. Then is your Sargassum. What is Sargassum and Laminaria? Are your edible marine algae? Yes or no? Yes. And one more is your fucus. One more is your fucus. ठीक है. तो बच्चों ये क्या हो गया आपका examples of your brown algae. Am I clear? So ये आपका छोटा सा Phaeophyceae, that is your brown algae. ऐसे points में इसको याद रखना, it will be very easy for you. Okay. And examples one more time I am repeating: Dictyota, Ectocarpus, Laminaria, Sargassum and your fucus. Okay. So I hope you understood this very well. Thank you very much.